We interrupt this program for a message from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a tornado warning for Kings County in New York until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. Repeating, the National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York: Kings County. Now we return to regular programming.